After opening the software, we build new projects. The name of the project can be named after a time. And now we can search. The search identified that this IP is the IP of this gateway. We can change his Internet Protocol address. Login password is password. It can be set to a fixed static address here. There is also an automatic acquisition. For example, I set it to 25. Set up successful. We can update the IP information. This is the gateway that just changed the Internet Protocol address. We connect. Press this magnifying glass. You can see that this device is recognized. This is the gateway. This is the PLC power carrier module. We double-click to add it. Add the points below. Choose a floor first. For example, the floor of this space. We use this floor as a unit, setting up that room. So let's select this device. It has 64 channels. Let's click this address first, then double-click to add the channel. There are 10 channels. This is dimmed. Dimming channel 1. Then you can copy. This is channel 1 of the color temperature. They are all in a group. 2 channels for a group. Here are 5 groups. Here are the points for the 5 groups. Then you can create a new scene below. And we've chosen this spot that we've just created. Click First. You can select the mode of his operation. For example, if dimming, it is a specified brightness 100%. Interface time to seconds. Then you can add it in. Then we can make other channels as well. Brightness scene. Also add all. Then it's done here. Here's a scene with the brightness on. Let's change the name. Change to on. Press and hold on to execute the full opening scene. Replicate this scene. You can do a full-scale scene. Modify here. This is brightness. Brightness 0 means it is turned off. We can also do color temperature scenes. Select the point first 100%. It's a color temperature of a cool color. This cool color has a white bias. And then we do another scene. Here's a warm scene. The lower color temperature value is the warm color. It's warm light. I made 4 scenes here. One is fully open, 100% brightness. It's a totally closed scene, a cool scene. There is also a warm scene. And then after the scene is done, let's compile it first. After compilation, we will upload it to the gateway.